Channel for black sea bass season starting off in the East Coast. I want to show you a easy drop shot rig, just like the largemouth. This will work on largemouth on freshwater too, with simply using this power bait from Walmart. So if you want to catch big fish or fish that is a keeper size, which is a 13-inch, so expect that you're not going to most of your fish you're catching is between 12 and 13-inch, and if you use just regular baits, yeah, you might get a keeper. With this, you're going to consistently catch bigger fish, so weed out the smaller ones. So all you have to do is get a fluorocarbon, 4 or 5.0. This is a 5.0 with 2 beads, whatever beads you want to use. I use these glow in the dark one. And then once you have it in the line, just like this, right? Just like this. Once you have it in the line, you want to go ahead and not back into this first bead, but directly over this first bead into the eye of the hook and into the other bead. Okay? Then you're done with one part, and then now you want to take the other bead, other line, just like that, and then look closely. You want to skip that bead right there and go into directly to the eye of the hook, and then back into the other bead line, just like that. Once you have it, all you have to do is just grab each tip of the line, one here and one here, and that's it. You just want to keep the beads and the line together, and you pull, keep pulling, and you just keep pulling, and just like that, voila, you get a drop shot rig, and that's it. Okay, and then once that is done, you take your shad, and then you see how between this point, the bead, and this end, you're only going to hook it in this way, so about around the chin area you want to go in. So you want to go in through the mouth where the hole is in the middle, and then you want to come out through the chin, just like that, and then go all the way through. Then once you're there, just turn it. You see how you could just line your hook up right here. So I'm assuming that the hook needs to come out of this hole right here. Once you have that, you just get close enough, and voila, and you're done. And then this becomes weedless because most likely the weed will go through. So right there, see that? And then a fish will come, and when it bites, it's gonna hook itself, and you're gonna have to hook. Once it bites, you need to quickly hook it. But that's it. You get this nice little setup here for black sea bass, and I'll guarantee you, if it bites, it's gonna go after this. You'll get a giant, big size. I think we've caught over the weekend like upwards in this 16, 18 inches black sea bass, and this also worked for flounders too. So I've caught last season using this, caught about 2 or 3 flounders with this rig too. So works for flounder too. Anyways, I hope this is helpful, and try it out and leave a comment and tell me what you think. Thanks.